This is how to clear your autofill data in Google Chrome. So let's get started. First open Chrome and then click on the three dots which are on the top right. Then here come to settings. And now select autofill and passwords that's on the top left. And here you can see the 5 categories for autofill. So starting with Google Password Manager till travel, these are the 5 different categories that you can check and delete your information from. So let's start with the first one. That's Google Password Manager. Just click on it. So these are all of our saved passwords and we have a few options. So if you want to only delete some, you can just click on it and then delete it. I'll give you an example. So I'll click on this, put my fingerprint, and then click on delete, and it's gone. But if I want to delete all, then I have to click on settings, that's here, and then select this option to delete all Google Password Manager data. So select delete data, and then click on delete. But there's another option, and that's if you want to save your passwords but not use it to automatically sign in. Then all you have to do is disable this option of sign in automatically. And after doing this, Google won't automatically sign in for you. So let's go back. And the second option is payments. So again, click on it. And below, we can find our payment data. So if you want to delete it, just click on this button. And here we can see all of our payment methods in Google. And the credit card that we had earlier has come here. And if you want to remove it, just click on remove and click on remove again, and it would be gone. The same way like before, we can decide if we want Google to save and fill payment methods for us. So it's currently enabled, and we can disable this if we want to. And another option to know is to allow sites to check if you have payment methods saved. So this is disabled. Now I'll go back. And let's see the third one, which is contact info. So here you'll see all of your saved addresses. And if you want to delete them, it's really simple. Click on the three dots and click on remove from Chrome. And as you can see, they're removed. Again on top, you can disable this option to save and fill addresses. And now I've come back and I'll show you the last two. So these are new options which have been added. So I haven't added any of my data, but if you have and you want to remove it, the method is the same. Just select this. Over here, you'll find all of your documents and then you can delete them from here. And you can follow the same steps for travel. So this is basically how it works. And if you want to know some privacy and security settings in Chrome, check out this video. Goodbye.